Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles within your game on Sleeping Dogs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sleeping Dogs game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, just click on Options. And now from the Options page, click on Game and Controls. Now within this page, you will see the subtitles option at the very beginning. You can choose between Cantonese or your default language. If you choose On, then your default language or English will be selected. You may also turn it off if you wish by choosing the Off toggle. After making your desired selection for your subtitles, you can go back and click on the Yes button to save your changes. After this, you can continue playing your game, and you will notice that your subtitle settings have been applied right away. You can come back to this menu even while you're playing to change your settings at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your subtitle settings on the Sleeping Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.